not a private space. It's Ghana, you don't say. It's Hyde Park. It's not private. You just described it as a private space. How what a silly thing to say. What a silly thing to say. It's not your private. Yes, you are.
Now you are. Why? So that's
because you're standing in front of my penis. I don't know why.
He's a monsieur.
Each to their own.
Look, the little willy he has, that's not the point.
Monsieur,
The point is,
have you come all the way to Speaker's Corner
comes here.
just to waste
Push
time?
it back to the camera.
Just to waste time.
Not the man over
Just to
there.
there
waste
are
time.
many conditions.
How many of you would like Monsieur, being an Islamic apologist, to debate with me, who is a Christian apologist? How many would like to debate right now? I'm assuming sorry to Speaker's
Give us
Corner,
dawah.
he is not here to get his trauma treatment, that he will get when he gets back tomorrow.
Are you running?
Look at him. Look at him. Run away.
Wow.
Running away.
He's got roller skates.
Running away all the time.
Are you
Now
running?
I know why Monsieur doesn't put on weight.
Ah.
He runs all the time.
Ah, like Usain Bolt.
I come to you. I'm sorry.
these individuals, they have no life without a Muslim. So they would come here begging again, debate me, talk to me, please, please. That is not- This is harassment.
Harassment.
This is harassment. Get the police now.
Get the police.
Please call the police. Someone please.
Get
So
the
I'm
police.
going to end there.
Someone call the
No
police.
more content.
Please.
No more content. وآخر دعوانا
Monsieur,
أن الحمد
he's
لله
being
رب
harassed.
العالمين.
Please call the police.
Stay away.
Monsieur is being harassed. Please call the police. Please, someone call the
Allow
police.
him.
Monsieur is being harassed.
Ah, is he crying?
Please, someone call the police.
Ah, he's crying.
Call the police. You have more criminals here. Hashim, please come. Hey, Hashim, please. Don't be.
Tell your mama to keep you under lock.
Sure. Come, Hashim. Hashim, please come. I am actually. Run away.
I've seen you online, bro.
Thank you.
I'm ashamed of the fact that Hashim is from India.
I'm from
Really,
India.
really ashamed.
I'm from India.
He's from India.
I'm from Pakistan.
Ashamed. They don't want to engage. They are terrified. Monsieur, when you need my help, please let me know.
Ah, Mansoor.
Monsieur. Monsieur, please let me know. Which trauma care treatment are you going through?
Are you Soko?
Yes, sir.
Can I borrow your mic?
No,
Okay.
no, sir.
Okay. So
Okay,
I want
right,
to speak
right.
to you
No one
directly.
trusts
No,
you.
no,
Put it
hold
there.
on.
Put it.
To the audience of this particular fellow.
Sensible people, yeah. To
you're
the sensible.
Is he invaded my private space or not?
Sure. You came in here.
Please, he invaded my
Don't
private
worry.
space?
Don't worry. Don't worry. That's fine. You can stay there. I can stay here. Monsieur, don't worry. Don't
So,
complain. That's fine. Now you're coming in. Now you're
This
coming
is
in.
a message to the Christian community.
La 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 la.
Do you want to hear it or not?
No, please. I want to hear your message.
Debate,
Please,
debate,
if you could.
Expose him, Mansoor.
So
Here's your
the
chance,
message-
Mansoor.
The message to the Christian community.
Hoping.
What we find is over the years, we notice. I've been coming here from since when?
25 years.
No, I haven't been watching that closely. A few years.
Roughly
20, I don't know.
20 years at least, right?
At least.
More than that. More than that.
Asking the same question for 20
What
years.
we've noticed more and more is the Christians are suffering from inferiority complex. My humble opinion.
Yeah.
What I mean by that is this.
Analysis.
What I mean by this is this. I don't see the Christians feel confident enough to convey their version of their message of truth and inviting people to Christianity.
Lovely.
Instead,
Yeah.
if you are watching and noticing, more and more what's happening is the Christians have become Islamophobes. What I mean by that is to come and interrupt.
Now we are
Let me
learning
finish.
something.
To come and interrupt every single Muslim speaker like myself, instead of conveying.
That's what exactly what you did to you. You did to them.
Can I finish?
Tables are now turned.
Can I finish?
You used to do exactly the same.
Instead
You
of
chase
preaching
Christians around the
Christianity,
park. Now they're chasing
they
you
are
around the
preoccupied
park.
day and night, and to come to heckle,
Massive.
interrupt,
Muslims have been
come
doing
to
for
private
20
space.
years.
Look at that, private space in the Muslim speaker, and not only that, this is what I've observed.
Okay, it's both.
Keep begging like a beggar. Discuss with me, talk to me, debate me. And the reasons why, I want to make it all clear to everyone.
Yeah.
The reasons why Muslims deliberately will avoid these begging requests
Because they know
is
they'll be exposed.
It's because not only that Muslims have spoken to them already and
All right.
proven that they are wrong and incorrect,
Right.
but also because these people, they are comedians, hecklers, insincere, and a liar. And let me establish my
Unlike
point
people like
one by one.
Mohammed.
One by one.
I'll take that.
One by one.
Has anyone heard of the word filibustering?
Excuse me.
Filibustering is
Am I
in
able to
process
talk or
right
is it
now.
interrupt?
In progress.
Right. So let's talk about the last point, the liar.
Liar.
I do not consider fit and appropriate as a sane individual to have a meaningful conversation with a professional liar who lies.
Not an amateur liar.
Exactly.
Professional.
Amateur included, by the way. With a liar who lies in the front of
paying the
public,
professional liar?
in front of hundreds and thousands and millions of people.
Millions.
So when, for example,
liar.
when I establish the particular individual next to me,
Yeah. The
right,
one you're scared about.
who has been demonstrated in public that he is a professional liar, I do not find it is meaningful that you can have a conversation at all with a professional liar. So I think that one
liar
point is
passed on fire.
sufficient enough
That's what you're
to
saying.
not engage with
Liar,
people
liar,
like
pants
him.
on fire.
And guess what? These people, because they don't have any contents,
Hello.
because in social media talk-wise, they don't have any contents because no one listens to them. They have to beg the Muslim speaker, keep begging every week to have
why you don't
contents.
even look at me?
So now, this is the reason why Muslims avoid people like them. I hope you understand. Thank you for listening.
Expose the liar. Expose the liar.
But why exactly do you run away? Every time you also seem to run away. Can you please help us understand why that is the case? I don't want to take sides. My dear Muslim friends,
Yeah.
Muslim Mafia, hello, Muslim Dawa Mafia cameras. Did you see the Muslim Mafia ringleader, one of them, run away, helter-skelter? Did you see that, my dear friend? Everyone running away. And they have fanciful stories every single Sunday.
All the time.
One day it is that I am a professional liar.
Okay.
Another day it's that I am a comedian. Another day it's that I am begging. But for some strange reason, he can't even look at me. I would like to think, unlike everything that he is saying, I would like to think what makes more sense is the fact that he is scared. He is scared to face the reality
That's
of getting to the bottom of the fact that the Quran is one of the worst literature to have been ever penned.
the worst.
Earlier today,
Yeah.
a gentleman came to me and asked me, do you know what a Muslim?
Yeah.
And asked me, do you know what Allahu Akbar means? And I told him,
Yeah.
many people in our nation, we know exactly what it means. And I even gave him a recommendation. For example, he's a visitor visiting the UK. So I told him, just go there, run quickly, 20 meters, and shout out Allahu Akbar, and you know what would happen. Because all of us know, practically, it's deep within us what exactly it means. It means destruction. It means tragedy. It means a knife or multiple knives
guns.
are going to come out.
Or guns like
It
Bondi
means-
Beach in Australia, like guns.
Absolutely.
Like Bondi Beach.
13 people from what I read earlier today.
Yeah.
I don't know what the latest figures is. 13 people in Australia
Bondi Beach.
from many hours ago.
Yeah.
Terrible. Allahu Akbar, tragedy. What does Allahu Akbar mean? Allahu Akbar means tragedy is striking again.
You better run.
That's what it means.
And you better run.
Allahu Akbar means
Run!
there is going to be a truck that is going to come after you in a crowd.
Yeah.
Allahu Akbar means
Yeah.
there is a nutter who should have been in the mental asylum, like the many millions who should be,
Okay.
who have escaped. Now, you're a Muslim, my dear friend. Are you a Muslim, sir? Why do you feel the need to cover your faces? It's astonishing, my dear friends. As a Christian, I show up here without my face covered. Even though people are after me. But the Muslims, no one is after. Is there anyone shouting out
Jesus Akbar.
Jesus Akbar and go after a Muslim?
no,
You don't
no.
find that.
No, there
Yet, at Speaker's Corner, it is the Muslims
Sir.
who come with their faces covered. Because they want to protect their identity. They're the ones who are scared. You know why? The reason is simple. The tragedy that is striking the Muslims at Speaker's Corner is the tragedy of the truth. Truth is attacking the Muslims. Week in, week out at Speaker's Corner. Truth is dismantling Islam. Week in, week out at Speaker's Corner. The Muslim apologists know this. And that is why they run away when seeing people like me. My dear friends, in the UK, we need to wake up. We need to wake up to the reality that what's happening in Australia, what's happening in the US. Does anyone have any updates about what was happening in the US? Brown University, 3 people were killed earlier in the day. I don't know what the background for that is. But my dear friends, almost every day, the nation of Israel is suffering. People who want to have peace, people who have tried everything under the sun to try and have peace in Israel. No one wants to leave them at peace. Even today, the Jews are suffering, not just in Israel. The Jews are suffering here in Manchester, in Birmingham, all over the place. The Jews are suffering. Walking in an obviously Jewish attire at Speaker's Corner is a recipe for disaster. And I am ashamed to say that this is happening in a Christian nation. My dear friends, it is time for us all to wake up.
Wakey, wakey.
We need to wake up to the reality that Islam does not belong anywhere in our nation. Islam is a religion of violence, death, and destruction. Three. Whoa. My dear friend, don't shout that out too loud.
You'll have everyone running,
The
bro.
police, the one good thing, my dear friends.
Everyone are going home.
When the police, the London police are pretty much useless, except when it comes to Allahu Akbar shouts. Once in a while, they show up. So don't shout Allahu Akbar too loud. Even the police would show up. I don't expect them to be that effective, but Allahu Akbar makes them, even them, be that effective. So be careful. Why is Islam a religion of death and destruction? There are Muslims who are watching, and so you can come and defend. Butter chicken. Right. So they want to go kill everywhere, and when they're not killing, they want butter chicken. This is the contribution of Islam. My dear friends, in the Quran, this is not laughing matter. This is life and death for us. For you, it is laughing matter because no one would come and kill you. Well, not until you tell them you don't want to be a Muslim anymore. Try telling them you don't want to be a Muslim anymore, they will come after you also. My dear friends, in the Quran, you have records of Muslims having disagreements with 3 specific groups of non-Muslims. Every single time, in every single case, violence was the weapon in the hand of the Muslims. Not intellect, not supernatural signs and wonders, nothing to do with God, not the truth, not reason, but violence. Say again. Okay, let's open and show our dear friend.